I'd like to welcome y'all to another episode of Untamed Outdoors. Donnie and I started out trying to catch a few bass and put in ice chests and got into a mess of crappie. Y'all sit right there and y'all watch old Donnie pull one after another out of that old clear water. Oh, there he is. Point that old camera, Eddie. He may be over 15 inches, you think?
I think so. How? Oh. Yeah.
Let's look at him.
Yes, sir. Yeah, he's more than 15 inches.
Sweet.
I'm gonna put him back.
That makes me happy right there. Did it feel good?
It did. It did.
Did it warm you up a little?
It did. All the above.
Does this mean anything significant? Am I using the wrong color? They just not hitting it, getting it in their mouth good? I mean, he bumped that pretty good.
That sounds to me like a fish.
He's hitting it again. Look. There it was. I got him that time.
What are you doing over there, Mr. Clark? Oh, look at him.
I told you this old pole here acts up.
Oh. Nice. There you go. Yeah, he's too big too. You ready?
I don't know. Let's measure one and see what happens. Just out of curiosity.
Yeah, this right there.
What
This
you?
right there, the 15.
Man, what do you think right there? I'm gonna keep him.
Yeah, he's a lefty.
Barely. I'll leave this old tape measure out. That one you caught was bigger than that. I know he was. It feels like they're hitting it more finicky or something. Something's different. I don't know what it is. There he was there. He ain't very big, is he?
That's all right.
Watermelon. Guys, the objective today is to get some of these small fish out of here. That was our objective. And we're going to do that. One fish at a time. I wonder how a swim bait would do out here. You kind of got one on the back of your... There you go.
Oh!
What is going on?
Whoop.
Alright, that's three that I done had locked on there and couldn't do nothing with them. That was supposed to go in the live well there now. Or live, I ain't got no live well. It's supposed to go in the ice chest.
And I had some still left from last year. So.
Man, if he'll take some from last year, I still got a bunch. And I'm kind of wanting to get rid of it. There he is right there. Now, he ain't real big, boss. But he'll eat, right?
Man, he will. I should have brought.
You see them little old hooks? Is that not the littlest old hook you ever seen? That's what I'm catching them on.
That's a 2-aught hook. That may be one of my brothers. I think my hook is a 3-aught.
There he is.
What are you doing? You just tearing me up. Work on it.
There he is.
Man, that's a pretty fish. He's white like that.
They're pretty and green in here, ain't they?
A really nice color. Look at that.
Finally.
I see two big fillets and some king fries.
A wood puppy laying next to it.
That's what I'm talking about.
There he is right there. Right next to the boat. Now he swallowed it right. He got it down in the goozle. You eat that, ain't you? Oh, you got you a biscuit.
Mm-hmm.
There he is. There he is. Is that a bass?
No, it's just, I think it's a crappie. He come up pretty good. I saw his side.
That's about the size I think maybe we was catching. Yeah. How about catching 100 of them suckers? You want me to help you?
That's all right. It did take me a minute to get my timing right.
Is that a good one?
That's a good one to have it on. That's full grown.
Let's look at it. Pull him out here. Let me show Anna Lee you's in her hole.
All right. Look at that, Al. I done caught one of your babies over here. I sure appreciate you leaving one. That's a good one there. Come on, buddy. All right, Mr. Sparks. That was fun. I don't know.
Oh, just had him.
You just had him.
Man, let's just sit here while I kill cheese. How's that sound to you? You got him? Bring him around here. Bring him around here, brother. Bring him right here to me.
On your way. This one here is kind of horsey. Look at that.
All I know is he's in the boat.
Slab.
You know we're going to get into that, did you?
Outside. I got a whole package of them little jigs, so I'm glad I brought them.
Let's see.
Look, Anna, you left too, baby.
She gonna fuss at you there. She gonna say, now look, brother Donny.
In your hole.
Is that what I need to do? Put a cork on and just kind of ease it down?
Buddy, you got me. I just work here. I don't have no idea.
Bring him over here. Where's the dick at? My gosh. You got to let me have one then.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Right. Oh, there we go.
Thank you. Yes, sir. I can do that.
Man.
I meant to tell you, it sure is fun catching these.
Does that make you happy?
That makes me happy, buddy. That makes me happy.
I don't know why they're in here, but they're just right here. You got another one? Bring him here, boss.
This one's heavy.
Bring him here. Man, you fighting him like a bass.
Look at her.
Make sure you put that back over here so I can help you now. Let me see him when you get him up. Look at here. I want y'all to look at what this man's doing to me right here.
That there's a slab. That's what you call them down here in South Florida. That's a slab.
What I call a lunch.
He's a good one. They look good sitting in the ice box in there.
I bet they do. Bring him over here, boss. Come on over here with that stud. You gonna mess around. Look at there.
Thank you very much.
Hold him up there for us.
He did not. He was just gonna eat it there and not take it home.
That is a stud of a crappie, my friend.
Big old boy.
Oh crap. That's a good one, boss.
Yeah, sir. Long time no see, buddy.
Pick him up here, let's look at this dude. Golly.
Yeah.
That's the one you're looking for.
That's the one I was looking for. I didn't hook really good. He wasn't coming off. He ate enough of it. Come on, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Maybe. There he goes. Man, that's a pretty fish. Pretty fish. He's still barking it. That's a bluegill.
That's a good one. God.
That's a hungry bluegill. Goodness. He's healthy. He's pretty.
Don't you know how fun that'd be with a tube of cricket? And I'm talking about get into a bunch of them where you just sit in one spot and you just steadily catch, you know.
Yeah. Well, it's cold.
Oh, that log kind of runs that way. I don't know. There he is.
Good Lord of mercy. That's a pretty good one.
Bring him here, Bo.
I'm working on him. That's a slab and a half there. I don't want him in the stump. Get out of the stump. Get out of the stump. Come here, buddy. Goodness gracious, that was thick.
Golly.
Woo!
Let's look here.
That's a man crappie. Look at the size of that sucker.
Oh my
It's thick
God.
across the back end. See that?
Oh.
That was fun, Brother Wes.
What you trying to do? You trying to catch a bunch of them suckers, it looks like. And I was getting bites right out there. So I'm gonna get right back out there again. I just never did catch one. Dude! There he is, finally. Ah, that's a good one.
Oh, you got him?
Finally. He does not want in that dip. Yes! Finally.
Go ahead. That's what I'm talking about.
Look at there, brother.
That's as good as it gets. That's just incredible right there.
That's a good fish.
Thank
you, Lord.
That's a meal and a fish.
I knew this one is it. He hit that 2 or 3 times. I had him, I didn't have him. I had him, I didn't have him.
He wanted it.
There he comes.
I never caught a bass on a pink bait, much less a wacky one.
Boy, that sucker is pink too. That ain't the one you've been fishing with, is it?
No, I just put it on, but we're cast.
Oh, well, that may be the one they want, brother. I hope it is, and you got another one. What I hope.
I caught a bass on a wax worm on a pink. Just don't seem right.
Hey, yeah, didn't even know I had one. Ain't no telling how long he'd been on it, cause I quit that. You're caught.
There you go. Nice.
Really, I think 12 was as big as you could run, but I got braided line on here, so it's a lot smaller. It said you could run up to 20 on braided line. There he is.
What are you doing over there, Mr. Fox? Oh, that's a good fish.
He's pulling. Like he don't really want the boat.
Oh, yeah. That's a good fish.
If I'd have give him some slack, he'd have come out. You see that? If I'd have give him some slack.
You still doing it to him, boss? You gonna mess around and catch your limit. I've lost two, so I know they still do up there.
I mean, you put it on every time I make a. There you, oh my gosh, dude.
Is he there?
Yeah. I don't understand what I do wrong. Look at it, he's still biting it. Oh, I got him this time, though. I got him this time, you sucker, Bill. You.
Bluegill. Look at that.
Cool.
Cool. Man. Boy, here.
Pretty good fish, ain't it? What kind is that, man? Look at the stripes. Pretty pretty. You see how many fish is in that live well? Thanks for watching Untamed Outdoors. If you like this content, like watching us fish here today, if y'all would please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and if you would leave us a comment down below, let us know what you think. Hey, stick around because I think you're going to like this next video that's coming up.